Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you a two-step eyeshadow hack. The colors that I've chosen, this is called Atlantic. It's a real pretty, kind of an ice green color, and it is a shimmer. And this is number 33, so it looks like a forest green shimmer too. And I know you're probably thinking, as we mature, we shouldn't wear frost eyeshadow, but I say, what the heck, let's do it. So I'm going to use my eyeshadow brush, I love this one, and just pack in the color. Again, this is called Atlantic, and I really love the color. So here we go. So you just want to apply it on your lid. And I tend to always use my fingers too. So on top of the eyelid, and you can take it up just a little bit into the crease. Okay. And then the darker color, this is number 33. I'm going to use my detail brush. And what you want to do is start on the outside and bring it in. And then up into the crease. I really like these color combinations. And then I take my buff brush and just blend it in. Let me put on my glasses and make sure I'm getting it right. I like that. Very nice. Then I love this eyeliner. It's by Thrive. I like to apply the eyeliner along the waterline. Take it all the way in and out. Now, if you want a more dramatic look, say for evening, you could put it underneath, but I'm not going to do that for today. Then, I'm going to curl my lashes. And I love Thrive mascara. This is one of my favorites. And that's it. Simple, simple. I've already put my face on, and that's the finished look. I hope you like it, enjoy it, and I'll be seeing you soon. Have a great day.